today is all about essentialism. Essentialism, the author of essentialism is William Bagley. William Bagley was an American educator. He graduated in 1895 from Michigan State Agricultural College currently. Why do schools need essentialism in the educational system? Essentialism, first, is extremely important or necessary, very basic, a belief that something is necessary, belief, style, and attitude. Essentialism is an American philosophy of education which began in the 1930s and 1940s. So, ang pinagmulan ng essentialism is from idealism and realism. So, essentialism refers to the basic education. Essentialists believe in teaching the basic subjects. So the purpose of schooling is to prepare students to be productive, contributing members of society. For essentialists, the aim of education is to teach the young the essential subject lesson they need to live in the modern world. Essentialists teach the basic subjects. So may iba't ibang pinagtutuunan ito ng asignatura. So, mayroong 5 curriculum of essentialism. First is mathematics, natural science, poetry, parent language, and literatura. So, nakapaloob dito sa essentialism yung kasaysayan. So, ito yung gamit ng teacher's role. Essentialism as a teacher-centered philosophy. So, ibig sabihin, guro yung nasa sentro sa kanilang nalalaman. So, teaches discipline and hard work, expert of content knowledge, accountable for student learning. As an expert, impart essential knowledge, direct focus, or task. So, ibig sabihin, yung guro yung pinagmulan ng nilalaman or nalalaman ng mga mag-aaral. Next is role of or ng mga mag-aaral. So, students should be passive and ready to learn what the teacher presents to them. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung itinuturo ng mga guro, ay yung kanilang nalalaman. So, yung pangunahing tagapagturo at tagapamahala ng klase ay yung guro lamang. So, what is the implication of essentialism to the classroom instruction? So, ano ba yung implication? So, first is use instructional strategies, lecture, homework, teacher and subject-centered and mastery. So, nakapaloob dito yung or nakatuon dito yung teacher-centered approach. So, ibig sabihin, ang guro yung pinagmulan or sila yung pinanggalingan ng nilalaman ng mga mag-aaral. So, nakatuon dito yung drills, lecture, and exploratory learning ng mga mag-aaral. Next is mastery of knowledge and skills. So, paano? Kung hindi nila malalaman, ulit-ulitin yung mga halagang aralin upang matiyak na maintindihan ng mga bata. So, yun ang essentialism. Next is the curriculum. So the essentialism philosophy is essential for the continued influence of teachers in the classroom. Essentialist educators focus on transmitting a series of progressively topics, promoting students to the next level or grade. So ibig sabihin, yung guro lamang ang nakakaalam kung may nalaman yung mga mag-aaral sa kanilang itinuturo. So, hindi kagaya ngayon na yung mag-aaral yung makadiscover ng kanilang paksa. So, what is the implication of essentialism to the curriculum? Ano ba yung implikasyon ng curriculum sa essentialism? So, ibig sabihin, teacher-centered approach. Next is mastery of knowledge and skills. The curriculum strong emphasis on basic skills in elementary schools, discipline, knowledge, and scholastic achievement in secondary schools. There should be a common core subject that is to all. So ano yung common core subject curriculum ngayon? Or sa essentialism is mathematics, kasaysayan, or literature. So 5 yun siya. Essentialists believe that their core knowledge change. Next is teaches how to survive, be productive, and how to live properly as members of society. Stills patriotism within students and uses the traditional approach. The most visible impact of essentialism is the basic subject in our curriculum like sciences, history, parent language, and literacy. So what is the implication of essentialism to assessment? So ano naman yung implikasyon ng essentialism sa mga pagsusulit? So ibig sabihin, gumagamit lamang ng table of specification para sa paghahanda ng pagsusulit or sa quizzes. So ibig sabihin, kung hindi alam ng mga bata, yung topic ay paulit-ulit yung guro na mag-discuss or magturo. So what is the implication of essentialism to assessment? This enables teachers to determine whether goals of education are being met or not. They also help teachers to evaluate whether students pay proper attention in class and whether they understand the required course material or not. Finally, the assessments are carried out as many aspects of the student's education are affected them. So, ibig sabihin, sa madaling sabi, ginagamit ang essentialism sa assessment upang masukat ang tagumpay ng pagtuturo or nakatuon yung mastery of knowledge sa kanilang pag-aaral. So, thank you and God bless. Bye-bye!